Greg here, Kiwi Wanderers. Hey, this week we're going to talk about water tank monitors. And it's pretty common to see errors on your water tank monitors, especially the grey water one. And this week I'm going to tell you how to fix that in 5 minutes. Pretty easy stuff too. So, as I understand it, there are several types of sensors used in water tanks on caravans and motorhomes. The most common are probe sensors, which is what we have on our Jayco Silverline. So a probe sensor measures the water level by using a very small electrical current connected to stainless steel screws on the probe. So when the water is present around one of these screws, it changes the electrical current reading. It changes the electrical current reading, brings on a light, or in our van, a little graph is displayed. This works well in freshwater tanks. There is usually only fresh water, hopefully. And when the water level is below the level of these little screws, it reads empty. You need to go and fill up. But in a grey water tank, the water can be contaminated by small pieces of food from your dishes, or maybe little bits of soap from the shower or sink. And if any of these dirty little bits attach to the stainless screw, it changes the electrical current to that screw and gives a false reading, which brings up an error. So the sensor needs cleaning, which will take under 5 minutes once you work out which one is the grey tank. And to do this, you just need to lie under the van, look at the sink or the shower drain, and follow it to a tank. And that's your grey tank. And on the side of the grey tank, near the top, is the grey water sensor. So I'd like to show you how to clean the sensor myself, but some bright spark has put motor movers on my caravan, and getting to the sensor and filming it with my build is a little bit tricky. Thankfully, the team from Jayco Wellington have given me this great video. So the guys at Jayco Wellington don't just clean the sensors for their customers that are having sensor problems, but they made this great little video and they send that out to the owners so they can do this little maintenance job themselves. Great service in my opinion. So you can see removing and cleaning the sensor is very easy, and the only tools you need is a clean rag. So once cleaned, you leave the sensor for a few minutes, as most systems only check the levels sort of periodically, and that's all there is to it. Now, if you have any tips or tricks to manage your grey water and stop the little bits getting onto your sensors, please leave them in the comments. Okay, so a big thank you to the great team at Jayco Wellington, Jayco Prestige Wellington, for the video. And of course, they have a new workshop there, or you may or may not know, they have a new workshop there. Great workshop team. I'll probably do a tour of that in the future. Yeah. Hey, so we're back in video mode again after a bit of a break. We have lots of good stuff coming up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.